what day are we on now? Tuesday, I think it's the 11th of April. So we are doing our round 2 of some of the parks. So we're heading back to Hollywood Studios today because last week we only got a few of the rides done, but some of the rides that we've never done. So Rise of the Resistance, which was absolutely amazing. We're going to see if we can get on that again today. It had a 5-hour queue last week, but we didn't queue for 5 hours, luckily. And we also went on Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Train, which was actually really cute. So I recommend that one. But we didn't get to go on Slinky Dog. And we also missed Toy Story Mania, which we love, and I think that's a favourite of everyone's. So we're going to head back today and hopefully have a good day today. The weather's actually brightened back up again. It was really, really wet yesterday at Epcot, so it was a bit of a washout of a day. So hopefully sun is shining and we can go and have lots of fun.
I wanna be the best in the game, invest in my name, check no restraints, I'm obsessed with the pain. I ingest, I retain, assess and I change, possessed by the thought I'll be free one day from society's restraints. Money, clout and fame, mud, disease, a plague. We all love to hate, have to play the game, have to make a name. All our insecurities are on display. This is war with the enemy, think that it was meant to be. Living in a time where disease is on every screen. I won't let them fester me, I know most are festering. Negativity is a plague for the mentally weak. No mercy, all I got is working. Never stop searching, never quite so thirsty. I'm toxic and psychotic, with this logic you can't stop it. It's been chronic since I was a boy, so neurotic and chaotic. Go to last with the webs on.
How did I know you'd be round by the pins? Pin addiction. God knows how much these things are costing.
Departures to the tranquil planet of Naboo. Visit historic landmarks in the capital city of Phoenix. You might even catch a glimpse of the recently elected Queen of Naboo. Or if you crave adventure,
I believe you call it a teenager.
Connor, he's talking about you.
Computer, whose bag is this?
TK421.
TK421? Why isn't he at his post? Must have a good reason.
You ready to board, guys? Where's your shades, Mo? Me and Dad. Dad? That's being nosy. That's being nosy.
Oh, sorry.
What about me? Very cool. Mo, where are we heading to?
Toy Story Land.
Toy Story Land. It's Woody. I wonder if we'll get to finally go on Slinky Dog today, Mo. Yeah, we've been on it when we came a few years ago, but you guys were little then, so...
I'm Sheriff Woody. On behalf of Buzz, Jesse, Rex, Slinky, and all my toy friends, welcome to the backyard. Hey, howdy, hey. You think playing with toys is fun? Darn tootin', it's the best.
Here comes Slinky Dog. Ready to have a competition, guys? Who's gonna win, Mo? You. Who's gonna win?
Me.
Who's gonna win?
Obviously me.
I hope it's me. Right, guys, who got the highest? Con, what did you get?
115,900.
Mo? What was your... Dad?
124,700.
I was actually beating him the whole way round, and he beat me at the last minute. So Mike got 124,000, I was on 115. Sad times. That was fun though, wasn't it, guys? Oh, Moe. Should we cheer you up with a snack?
What did you say?
Should we cheer you up with a snack?
Yeah.
Right, guys, which way to the Millennium Falcon? Any ideas? Who do we ask in Star Wars land? Robot? What are the people called? I don't know what they're actually called. Droids. Where's C-3PO when you need him? He knows everything. Did the lady say that Chewie has been fixing it for a few days and it's a bit of a hunk of junk? So we shall see whether... Mo, what do you think to Chewie fixing it? Do you think it's going to be alright?
We have to go on there.
I'm not sure Chewie's qualified, do you?
You can't miss it.
Oh, is it like enormous? I take it. Right, we're on the hunt for the Millennium Falcon. Apparently we can't miss it. I think that might be it. Just in front. This actually wasn't here the last time we came, was it? Wow. Look at the size of that thing, guys. That is just absolutely enormous.
Come closer. A brand new flight crew. Good luck to you all. You might need it. Today's flight takes you to the planet Corellia. You will be intercepting a first-order train shipment of coaxium. Gunners, you clear the path. Pilots, line up behind the train. And engineers, you harpoon that precious cargo. And as we always say here at Onaka Transport Solutions, get a miracle with
Por favor, permanezcan sentados y cuide a los niños.
Alright, flight crews, go ahead and place those bags down by your side and by your feet. Buckle those seatbelts. Once the seatbelts are buckled, I'm gonna ask you to pull those yellow straps. Show me how strong you are and pull that yellow strap. Pull, pull, pull. Oh, good job. Can you pull yours for me down there? It's fabulous. Engineer, thank you. Pull yours for me, pilot.
Hurry now, time is money.
Thank you. Hit those flashing buttons. Good luck for cruising, and may the force be with you.
Flight engineer, repair test. Hit your flashing button. You'd better be faster when we get to the trouble. Right, pilot, push the flashing button to take off. Pilot on the left, move your stick to fly right and left. Pilot on the right, pull back on the stick to fly out and push forward to fly down. Weapons are online. light speed. Heavy dies are protecting the train. Take them out! They've locked onto us. Take evasive action! Gunners, we need to defend ourselves. Open fire! Gunners, blast away! Blast! Ah, there it is. After that train! Flight engineer, fire the harpoon! Left pilot, brakes! Oh, my friends, that could have been much worse. Okay, it's much worse. Yes, you got one. Excellent, my friends. Now power up the ship. Well, I grab the go axiom. You see, just as I promised, my friend. Now that the resistance has what they need, maybe a little something for Hondo. Pilots, line up behind the train so we can harpoon that last car. Flight engineers, fire the harpoons and reel us in. Engineers, hit your flashing button. Harpoons quickly! You're running out of time! Well, it's harder than it looks. A gunship? Oh, that's ridiculous. Things are getting too hot. We've got to get out of here. Yes, a distraction! Fire the missiles at the train! Hurry! The Star Destroyer is collapsing! Left pilot, hit the boosters! Boost! 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 We made it! I don't believe it, but we made it! Now, let's get out! Great job, my friends! You retrieved one container of coaxium. This would greatly help the resistance. You have heard the First Order and made CHEWIE proud. Woo! Now, after my modest profit, your cut minus what you owe me for damaging the Falcon is... Ooh, that is rough.
Corn, mac and cheese, still as good as ever. Dad's got trio sliders, haven't you? And I've got the pulled pork sandwich and mac and cheese, which is just heavenly. We'll have to come back and do some proper shopping. We're now full from the polite pig and all the pulled pork and ribs.